Hello there, it's Patricia from Pinky's World, and today I'm just on to give you a quick walkthrough of my most recent wee album that I've made for my granddaughter Amy. I've used an old paper pack, very old, and I still have a few bit of scraps left. It is from Stampin' Up, this one, and it's called Sweetest Christmas. Actually, it's not. It was a mixture. I've used two of them. That was another one, and it was not that one either. Penguin Playmates. So two separate leftover bits. I made a shaker for the front, and I was a wee bit overzealous with my snow, so you can hardly see where it says Amy's First Christmas, so I'm going to have to filter about and maybe fix that. But I've glued two pom-poms and a wee bell to the side just to give it a nice wee bit of jingle. And I printed these off on the computer. So its closure is bag. I had meant to put it into a box, but I just got overexcited there and added far too many embellishments. So it's not going to fit the particular box I had. So inside, I've sealed it with a ribbon, as you can see. Inside I've made pockets on opposite sides throughout, and these wee tags which I added faux stitching to, which they can write what's happening in the photograph, or they can add another photo. It's up to themselves. This will be the photograph layout, and I've left that you can slide the photograph underneath the embellishment easily. So these are wee cutouts from the packet, the Playmates, whatever it was called. I went with the wee fox and penguin sort of throughout it, and then again a wee bit of Santa, and again another wee tag pull out there. Same here, Baby's First Christmas. These were out in Knitwits, printed those off. And again, I've always left room no matter where, so I can slide my photo in underneath without having to take anything apart. Another two, I kept these flat because my book was getting so bulky, but again, I was clever and made sure that I left this part opened. So just Christmas along here, and again another wee tag, and I just used the half that I punched from here to decorate the wee tag. I hadn't really room to add ribbons and stuff. It is just a 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch book, so another two wee foxes. Again, of presents, this will be Christmas Eve, and she can write what she got for Christmas, or how the baby felt. Not that she's going to feel much. Amy will only be, 9 months or something by Christmas time. So it really is just a first Christmas. So maybe they can write a list of what they were going to get her or whatever. And this wee thing is out of Knitwits. And it has my very first Christmas. I was how many months old, surrounded with love by family friends. I had visits from my most loved present was my most cherished moment, which I'm sure it'll be Mommy and Daddy's cherished moment. So just another wee bit of Knitwits there and here. And that is my wee book, which I hope she enjoys. She's displaying them all on her wee shelf in the baby's room anyway, so she'll probably find somewhere, and this will stand up nicely, and when it's tied up, it doesn't take up too much room. You can pull it fairly tight, and the photographs won't take up that much room, won't make it much fatter. But I'll maybe make another wee small one to fit inside my box, because I've loads left over. I'll have to trim that down, it's a bit much. So, just wanted to give you a wee quick run through, and that's what I've been up to this week. Catch us all again soon. Bye.